And here we have a coolant style heat exchanger. It can also be used for exhaust as well, but right now this one is set up for a CDS, Hydromaster CDS, or a 4.7 Hydromaster, or any other truck mount for that matter. This can be used for coolant or heat exhaust, and of course we would change to the appropriate size fittings that would fit your exhaust header. But in this case, this is used with 3/4 bushings from 1 inch to 3/4 for your Street L 3/4 hose barbed connects that go back to your radiator. This whole thing is watertight. This whole heat exchanger is watertight, and you got 3/8 mil pipe thread for your water connections for your in and your out, and it houses the coolant inside, which conductively goes into your metals, which is high pressure stainless tubing, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. This can be mounted vertically or horizontally, and it's just a really nice unit. Some people decide they want to put, if you want me to custom put brackets here where you can have this hang down post-primary on your truck mount or pre-primary. And I say primary, I mean your main heat exchanger. A lot of times people have used this as their main heat exchanger and have had pretty good results. It will usually cap off to the thermostat of your truck, and it'll heat up around 200 degrees. But like I said, a lot of people will use it in multiples where they'll use 2 of these. It's recommended, like with the CDS, where they used 2. In this case, now I've had customers that have been real happy with just 1 of them, but you know, it depends on your flow rate too. Again, this is high pressure tubing, and we put brackets. In this case, this will go onto a L cradle type bracket, shelving bracket that comes off the recovery tank. And I open slotted it to allow a little bit of leeway there, and to moving it back and forth to allow adjusting, you know, to retrofit the shelf bracket. So it's all polished, high pressured, all stainless tubing, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. If you decide you want to have it done for a heat exhaust, we can go up to as far as 1.5 inches, 2 inches. We can even do 2 inches if you needed a 2-inch female coupling. We can go as high as 2 inches, all the way down to as 3/4 or even 1/2 inch if you decided you know wanted just a 1/2 inch coolant lines rather than 3/4. But in most cases we use 3/4 bushings to accommodate the more common industry standard, which is 3/4 barbed hose connect with 3/4 hoses. So call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll get you hooked up with this coolant style or heat exhaust heat exchanger, whichever way you want to heat the water. It's a universal type of heat exchanger, very easy to mount, and I'm here to sketch out any drawings, and you send me some pictures and I can give you some ideas as to how to mount it inside your truck mount. So we'll talk to you later, and give us a call at 727-505-2989. Thank you.